You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. A vestibule at the front of a classical temple. For more names from Latin, make sure to stay tuned. In English, it is pronounced as Pronaos. Pronaos. Now in Latin, it would be said as Pronaus. Pronaus. Or in English, the pronunciation is as Pronaos, the vestibule of a church as well, or a temple. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.